Hello guys, today I'm going to tell you about that Circle tokenized stock token. Now before start the video, let's share my legal disclaimer. This video is only for educational purpose. Do your own research for the investing. According to the website, CRCLX stock is a tracker certificate issued as Solana, SPL and ERC20 token. CRCLX tracks the price of Circle Internet Group. The underlying CRCLX is designed to give eligible cryptocurrency market participants regulatory compliant access to the stock price of Circle Internet Group while is maintaining the benefits of blockchain technology. Key benefit: Circle Internet Group CRCL is regional financial technology firms best known as the issuer of USD coin USDC, a regulated, fully backed stablecoin pegged to the US dollar. It provides infrastructure for payments, treasury, and Web3 development across the crypto ecosystem. CRCLX token total supply is 853.22 thousand and circulating supplies around 500,000. CRCLX token is listed on Bybit, Gate.io, BingX, Kraken, and other exchanges. If I share my opinion with you, then this project up to 75% chances is that it is a legit or good project. So guys, don't take my opinion as a financial advice. Do your own research for the investing. Thanks for watching.